If you're ready to say goodbye to OneDrive on your Windows 11 PC or just want more control over what it syncs, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn off OneDrive, stop those automatic backups, and even remove it completely if that's what you'd like. Whether you just want to keep your folders local or cut ties with the cloud entirely, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can reclaim your computer the way it suits you best. Let's dive right in. Let's start with stopping automatic folder backups. Have you ever noticed your desktop, documents, or pictures folders suddenly feel like they've moved or like your files are always uploading? That's because by default, OneDrive tries to keep key folders backed up to the cloud, just in case you lose something locally. But maybe you prefer to organize your files yourself or just want to save bandwidth. Here, how you can stop OneDrive from scooping up those folders. First, look down in your taskbar at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen for the OneDrive cloud icon. Give that a click. Next, hit the little gear icon. This brings up your settings and go into Settings. From here, switch over to the Sync and Backup tab and select Manage Backup. Now you'll see a list of the folders OneDrive is watching. If you don't want, for example, your desktop or documents automatically mirrored to the cloud, just toggle them off one by one. Be aware you'll need to confirm each choice by clicking Stop Backup. Don't worry if you see a little warning. This won't delete your files from your computer. It just tells OneDrive to back off and leave those folders alone from now on. If you'd rather go one step further and stop syncing entirely, the most effective way is to unlink your account. This basically tells your computer to pause all communication with OneDrive. Think of it like putting the cloud on mute. To do this, again, open OneDrive from your taskbar icon. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab on the left. Here you'll find an option to unlink this PC. When you click it, just confirm by selecting Unlink Account. You'll stay signed out, which means no more syncing, no more pop-ups about cloud files, but your files on the computer will remain exactly where they are. They just won't be updated to or downloaded from OneDrive. It's a great middle ground if you don't want to uninstall, but still want that cloud quiet. Next, let's make sure OneDrive doesn't start up every single time you turn on your PC. You might not realize it, but OneDrive likes to pop up and start running in the background, just waiting to sync something, even if you don't use it. To prevent this, you'll want to go into your Windows settings. Just press Win and I on your keyboard to bring it up quickly. Then head to Apps and look for the Startup section. Browse through the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive, then simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. Now, the next time you restart, OneDrive will stay asleep until you decide to launch it yourself. And finally, if you really want to part ways with OneDrive, you can uninstall it altogether. This is for those who know they won't be needing Microsoft's cloud storage at all. Open your settings again and this time go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Type OneDrive in the search box. Click the three little dots next to it and select Uninstall. That's it, no more OneDrive popping up or running in the background. And there you have it. Whether you just wanted to stop a few folders from being backed up or wanted OneDrive totally gone from your system, you've got all the steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, or if you ran into something that looked different on your PC, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.